Okay, we are working with partial sums again as we practiced in whole group. Share my screen and let's watch our little movie.
How can you find 38 plus 59 by adding with partial sums? Let's find out. The 3 in the addition chart represents the 3 tens in 38. The 8 represents the 8 ones in 38. What number in the addition chart represents the number of tens in 59?
Select your answer.
So we have 59. Which number represents the tens? It's the 5. It says tens here.
The 5 represents the 5 tens in 59. What number in the addition chart represents the number of ones in 59?
Select your answer.
We're looking for ones, so it's going to be 9.
The 9 represents the 9 ones in 59. Now find the partial sums. You can use mental math strategies like counting on and breaking apart numbers. First, add the tens. How much is 3 tens plus 5 tens? 3 tens plus 5 tens equals 8 tens. How do you write 8 tens as a number? You write 80. Is 80 the sum of 38 plus 59? Or is 80 a partial sum?
80 is a partial sum. This is not our whole problem. This is just the tens.
80 is a partial sum. It is the sum of only the tens. The ones need to be added too. Now add the ones. How much is 8 ones plus 9 ones?
8 plus 9.
8 ones plus 9 ones equals 17 ones. Since 17 has 1 10 and 7 ones, you write the 1 in the tens column and the 7 in the ones column. Last, add the partial sums. What are the two partial sums?
So we start over in the ones. This would be 7, and then 8 plus 1 is 9.
The two partial sums are 80 and 17. What is the sum of 80 plus 17? The sum of 80 plus 17 is 97. So 38 plus 59 equals 97.
Great job. So let's look at our workbook page. You need page 200. Pause the video and find page 200. Okay, so let's look, guys. So it's basically the same thing as we're doing the other day, except we're going ahead and we're adding our partial sums and putting it directly under our problem. So we have 12 plus 23. So we're going to add their tens together first. So we have 1 10 and 2 tens, and that makes 3 tens, which is 30. We're going to add our ones together. We have 2 plus 3, so that is 5. This is our partial sum. This is a partial sum. Now we have to add straight down. So do not mark this out, but we're done with this part, okay? So now we're going to go 0 plus 5, and then 3 plus, there's nothing here, so that's basically a 0, 35, okay? Let's look at this next one. We need to add the partial sums of our tens. So we have 1 10 and 4 tens. So 1 plus 4 is 5. But what is 5 tens? 5 tens is 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we're going to write 50 under here. That's our partial sum of our tens. Now our ones, we have to add 8 plus 2. 8, 9, 10. Okay? But I cannot do this. Okay? If I have 10, I have 1 10 and 0 ones. So I'm going to put my 1 10 and my 0 ones. So now forget this, and we're just going to add straight down. 0 plus 0 and 5 plus 1. So 18 plus 42 is 60. Okay, let's look at this one. Add our tens. They even color-coded it. 3 tens plus 4 tens. 3 plus 4 is 7 tens. So that is 70. Okay. Our ones, 3 plus 8. Give me 5 minutes. Okay. Sorry, that was my daughter. 3 plus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. I can't write 11 under the ones. In 11, I have 1 1 and 1 10. Okay. Now I'm going to add my partial sums, just this part, straight down. Oops. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 7 plus 1, we're just counting up 1. What comes after 7? 8. Okay? Hit next. Oh, you don't hit next. I'm sorry. You're just going to turn the page. Look at the next page. Okay. I'm going to do number 4 with you. Let's look at it. Partial sums. We're going to add our tens first. 1 10 plus 2 tens. Okay. This is why I don't like partial sums. I think the ones should be on the top because when we actually start adding for real, we start in the ones. So I don't know. I'm just following along with the book as is everybody else. 1 10 plus 2 10. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. 3 tens is 30. Okay. 8 plus 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In 12, I have 1 10 and 2 ones. Okay, now I'm just going to add my partial sums. 0 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 18 plus 24 is 42. Okay, now I'm going to do 5, 6, 7. I want you to pause and work them by yourself. So pause. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 tens is 70. 7 plus 8 is 15. So I have 1 10 and 5 ones. Add straight down. 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 1 is 8. Add my tens. 2 tens plus 4 tens is 6 tens. So that's 60. Ones. 6 plus 7, that's 13. So that's 1 10 and 3 ones. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. Partial sums, add my tens. 3 tens plus 5 tens is 8 tens. 8 tens is 80. Ones, 4 plus 8. I've already done 8 plus 4 over here. It's the same thing. So 12, which means I have 1 10 and 2 ones. Add straight down. 0 plus 2 and 8 plus 1. Okay. Let's look down here. Read the sum above each box. Circle all the pairs of numbers in the box that match the sum. Ooh, I'm going to let you do that for homework. So, for example, 13 plus 21. Circle all the pairs. So maybe it wants us to, what is that? Maybe it wants us to do this. So this equals 33. This equals 33. Right? Yep. This equals 33. Oh, that's the same thing as that. So we'll just go down here and do this. This equals 33. And this equals 33. There we go. So I guess they're all going to be circled. You have to figure out how they're going to be circled. Okay? You figure that out on these two. Okay? That'll be fun. Next page. "28 trees. Juan planted 36 trees. How many trees did they plant in all? I will set this up for you. We're just going to add 28 plus 36. And then you're going to do what you did on the other page. You do this problem. Okay? That's it on that page. Homework. This is what you have to take a picture and send to me. Problems 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the front. Here's another example. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to take a picture of this and send it to me. It will have a seesaw assignment where you just upload your picture. I want you to do on the back 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. So for homework 1 through 8, take a picture and add it to your seesaw. I don't need the independent practice. I'm going to trust that you did that with me. I want you to do 1 through 8 and take 2 pictures and send it to me on Seesaw.